Welcome to Smart Dollar Mindset, where we break down money, mindset, and smart financial habits to help you build wealth with purpose. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your financial game, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's take control of your money the smart way. Today, we're talking about how to build wealth using your salary. Yes, just your 9-to-5 paycheck. No side hustles, no big inheritance, no shortcuts. Just real strategies that work. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Wealth isn't just about how much money you make. It's about what you do with what you earn. Most people think their salary isn't enough to build wealth. But here's the truth. Your income is your #1 wealth-building tool if you use it right. Example, someone earning $50,000 a year who saves 20% is ahead of someone earning $100,000 and saving nothing. Step 2. Track every dollar. Before you build wealth, you need control. That starts with knowing where your money goes. Create a simple budget. Fixed expenses, rent, utilities. Variable expenses, food, gas. Financial goals, savings, investing. Use tools like Mint, YNAB, or a spreadsheet. The goal is awareness and intentionality. Example, imagine reallocating that $300 to build your savings, allowing for future financial stability and the freedom to invest in your dreams. Instead, you could start cooking at home, enjoying delicious meals, and gaining culinary skills while watching your savings grow. Embracing this change can lead to not only financial benefits, but a healthier lifestyle and greater satisfaction in everyday life. The journey toward a secure financial future begins today. Step 3. Live below your means. This is the golden rule. Living below your means spending less than you earn, and it's the only way to generate savings. Pro tip: automate your savings before spending. Set up an auto transfer the day your paycheck hits. Example, focus on building a strong foundation for your financial future by consistently setting aside that essential $600 each month. This disciplined approach will ensure you're not just living paycheck to paycheck. By committing to this principle, you are not merely saving, you're actively investing in your own potential for wealth creation, paving the way for future opportunities and financial security. Remember, every dollar saved is a step toward your dreams and aspirations. Step 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt, with interest rates over 10%, will destroy your ability to build wealth. Start with the debt avalanche or snowball method and knock it out fast. Your salary should go toward buying assets, not paying off liabilities. Example, imagine redirecting that $3,600 a year towards savings or investments instead. You could build a solid financial future, free from the burdens of crippling debt. The freedom to invest in your dreams awaits. By eliminating that interest payment, you're not just saving money, you're reclaiming your potential. Embrace a life where your earnings work for you, not against you, paving the way towards financial independence and peace of mind. Your journey to a brighter future begins today. Step B. Build an emergency fund. You can't build wealth if you're constantly derailed by emergencies. Aim for at least 3 months of expenses saved. Keep it liquid. A high-yield savings account works best. Example: imagine having that extra cushion, allowing you to invest in new opportunities or take calculated risks without the constant fear of financial strain. A solid financial cushion empowers your dreams. With this financial security, you can focus on growth rather than survival, making healthier decisions for your future. Embrace this security and watch how it transforms not just your finances, but your overall well-being and aspirations. Financial freedom is not just a dream, it can be your reality. Step 6. Invest automatically. Wealth doesn't grow by sitting in a checking account. Your money needs to be invested. Start with employer 401k plans, especially if there's a match. That's free money. Then open a Roth IRA or brokerage account. Make it automatic. Every paycheck, a portion should be invested. Example: investing $500 each month from the ages of 25 to 40 with a 7% return can total over $250,000. Your income has generated a remarkable $250,000 in wealth. Step 7. Increase your income. Strategically. Yes, we're focusing on salary, but within that, there's room to grow. Ask for raises. Learn skills that get you promoted. Switch companies if needed. Every $5,000 increase, saved and invested, accelerates your wealth journey. Example: investing an additional $200 each month, starting at age 30, could lead to more than $100,000 by the time you retire. Step 8. Avoid lifestyle inflation. The trap is real. Every time you earn more, you spend more. Break the pattern. Keep your lifestyle stable while increasing your saving and investing rate. Example: you receive a $2,000 increase in your salary. Set aside $1,500 for savings and treat yourself to $500. This way, you're increasing your wealth while enhancing your quality of life. Step 9. Learn about money. Financial literacy compounds like interest. Read books like The Millionaire Next Door, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Knowledge helps you make better choices with your salary. Step 10. Stay consistent and patient. Wealth takes time. It's not flashy, but it's real. Trust the process. Every dollar saved and invested is a seed planted. In time, you'll look up and realize you're financially free. Example: someone who saves $10,000 a year for 10 years and invests it well could have over $150,000, even without any side income. If you got value from today's video, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to Add That Smart Dollar Mindset, and turn on the bell so you never miss a money tip that could change your life. We're here to help you master your money, build a strong mindset, and create wealth with purpose, one smart step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.